Welcome back to Food Frugal. I made these no-bake energy bite-sized ladoos for Diwali this year. Super easy and the kids love them. I used 1 cup mixed unsalted dried nuts and added 1/3 cup of raw cashews because my kids love cashews. Use whatever nuts you like. I am toasting these on low heat for about 5 minutes and then setting aside to cool. In the meantime, we need about 12 dried figs and 20 dates. We get all of these from Costco. Remove pits from dates, cut stem of fig. Add into your blender and turn into the paste. We only have Vitamix but use standard blender for this one. Once cool, crush nuts into small pieces. Again, use a blender if you have one. I was too scared to grind this into a Vitamix, so I am doing this by hand. Now to our bowl of crushed nuts, add 1/4 cup of chia seeds. Add in your dates fig paste and mix everything until well combined. Make sure you oil your hand as this is very sticky. Use a knife and cut mixture into small pieces and recombine. Once you are happy with the blending, roll it out and divide into about 25 pieces. And there you have it, super easy, healthy, energy-based ladoos for the holidays. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.